Using smart drop-down search features can save you time and effort every day. Find and select items faster in long lists, lists in random order, lists containing duplicates, drop-down lists with cells containing long text and in multiple columns. You too can save time every day when you switch to using Smart Excel drop-down. Starting with the drop-down search function, you can quickly find matching drop-down list items by using just a partial word, multiple words and even multiple phrases. Also by hiding duplicates for an Excel list of unique values. Plus there's an Excel drop-down sort, either up or down. And the smart drop-down list is immediately displayed as you select the cell. No more moving the mouse to click on the drop-down arrow. You also see a lot more rows in the drop-down window for faster scanning. There is also a full-size scroll bar for you to quickly zip up and down the list. And the list is in a larger font size, making it easier to read and faster to read. Let me demonstrate the drop-down search function. First I will find and select Bernie from this list of names. In the search cell I can enter a partial word, multiple words or multiple phrases. So when I type B for Bernie, the list immediately shrinks to just 2 people. I can select Bernie and use the tab or enter to save the cell. That only took a few seconds and there was no scrolling or scanning the list to find Bernie. And the Excel drop-down search function is even more powerful. To demonstrate, I'll use a long drop-down list of 3,000 towns. Let's assume we are adding a new customer to our list and need the postal address of their town. The town we need is Mount Glorious. So I start typing M and O, and I can immediately see there is a long list of names. So let's start typing Glorious. First I type a comma, to indicate a new word, and type G and L. And there it is. That also only took a few seconds. Smart drop-down search is so simple to use. You don't need to waste time creating any formulas or filters or writing VBA. Just install the add-in and start saving time. Why not take a free trial today? The list of names has many duplicates which makes scrolling through tedious looking for Bernie. Simply by clicking the Hide Duplicates button. All duplicate rows disappear, leaving just the unique items. The list is now 15 names and I can immediately see Bernie. That was fast. And again, no typing was required. Now let's sort the list, by clicking the Sort A to Z button. And I can immediately see and click on Bernie. And again, no typing was required. Here you can see 16 rows in the drop-down window, versus just 8 rows. Which makes scanning the list easier and faster for you. So let's try the large scroll bar. And there on the next page is Bernie. The font size in this drop-down window is larger to make it easier to read and faster to scan. The list is actually displayed in the same font as your cell. Plus you can control how much magnification you want. Making it easier and faster for you to read. Installation is quick and easy too. Simply download and open the workbook. Enter the activation code. Click where you want the add-in installed and restart Excel. What could be simpler? Many drop-down lists can waste your time and be frustrating. Worse still, they can lead to making errors. And scrolling through a long list of items is tedious and time-consuming. Who has time for that? Why not take an obligation-free trial of Smart Excel drop-down now? And see how much easier your work can be. No credit card is required and you can start saving time within minutes. Click on the link below to get started. Or visit www.smartexceluser.com. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And please click subscribe. To be the first to see new products being released. Smart drop-down search is so simple to use. You don't need to waste time creating any formulas or filters or writing VBA. Just install the add-in and start saving time. Why not take a free trial today? Everything I just demonstrated is automatically available for all your drop-down cells in every Excel spreadsheet. You start saving time from the moment you install Smart Drop-Down software. Plus, Smart Drop-Down has even more to offer. It can greatly enhance drop-down functionality, and save you having to write complex formulas or VBA. There is Smart Drop-Down Multi-Option. This includes everything in Smart Drop-Down, plus, for example, to display multiple columns, or a spreadsheet table, in the drop-down list. How much nicer would it be to see the customer name alongside customer code? Making it simpler and easier to select the right one. The search function automatically looks in all the displayed columns too. Imagine searching for the customer name to get the right code. No need to separately look up a list for the right code. It's built in, no formulas or code needed. And you can save time by selecting multiple drop-down rows at a time. No need to switch cells to select the next item. All items are stored in the drop-down cell, with a separator between them. And Smart Dropdown includes a function for your formulas to easily extract the first, second, third entry, etc. Plus there's the Smart Dropdown Pro option. This includes everything in Smart Dropdown Multi-Option. You can choose to display an Excel table or a variable number of columns in the list. Up to 99. Which is great for cascading or dependent lists, where there may be a varying number of levels. Also display a related photo, PDF, Word document, Excel spreadsheet, photo or document on a web page. You can choose to return a value from the first, second or last column or to concatenate all the columns. Or return an invisible column. For example, a customer-friendly description or an internal code. And it's so simple. Just add a range name for the first column of the table. The name just needs the drop-down prefix and option codes at the front. Here the letter U displays 4 columns. And the number 1 says that when stored in the drop-down cell, to add a comma between each town ID. It's fast and it's easy to use and no formulas or VBA are required. See for yourself, take a free trial.